Surgery per se is a very resource intensive environment, but also at the same time there's an awful lot of waste. The UK spend about 50 to 60 million pounds on volatile anesthetic gases per year. Less than 2.5% of that gas is metabolised by the patient. The rest of that anesthetic gas is vented from the back of the anesthetic machine to the outside via the anesthetic gas scavenging system. The global warming potential, say for example desflurane, which is our most modern anesthetic agent, is 2,500 times more likely to cause global warming than carbon dioxide.
SageTech have got a scalable technology for remanufacture of anaesthetic agents. What we're doing is we're capturing the drug immediately from the back of the anaesthetic machine, and we've developed a system so that the hospital itself can process its own waste using a machine that we put in the hospital, and that's what makes it scalable. The NHS obviously is the biggest health provider in the UK, and it's absolutely important to work with it, and it can be quite challenging to work with it. But the NHS also can be an amazing catalyst for growth of a company.
We are driven by business as usual within the trust, just to get patients through and do our normal job. To get innovative science, products, devices through does require extra funding. Otherwise it just won't happen.
At a time like us when our costs are growing because we are trying to commercialise the technology and working in regulated areas, and we need experts to be involved in that process. The ISCF grant enables us to essentially take that technology and grow it from being a laboratory technology to being a commercial operation. We can change this. This has been here for 20 years, 40 years, and it can't move forward because it's linked up to walls and pipes in the systems. And our technology changes that, and that's what we're really excited about. As clinicians, I think that's what drives me into it. I really love the environmental technology, but actually the way that this could free up anaesthesia around the hospital and change the way that all of this old technology works, that is really exciting.